Here are the top news headlines for the day. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addressed the 33rd convocation of the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. The Prime Minister said that there is great appreciation and respect for Indian medical professionals, scientists and pharma professionals. He said India is producing medicines and vaccines for the world. In COVID-19, India is having one of the lowest death rates and highest recovery rates in the world. He said the Indian health ecosystem is being seen with new eyes, new respect and new credibility. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi delivered the inaugural address at the second Khelo India National Winter Games on the 26th of Feb. The Games will be held from 26th Feb to 2nd March 2021. He mentioned how in the new education policy, sports have been given a lot of importance. Earlier, sports were considered to be just extracurricular activity, but now sports will be a part of the curriculum and grading of sports will also count in the children's education, he said. The government notifies the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. Social media platforms have empowered ordinary users, but they need accountability against its misuse and abuse. The new rules empower ordinary users of social media, embodying a mechanism for redressal and timely resolution of the grievance. The rules about digital media and OTT focus more on in-house and self-regulation mechanism, whereby a robust grievance redressal mechanism has been provided while upholding journalistic and creative freedom. It seeks to address people's varied concerns while removing any misapprehension about curbing creativity and freedom of speech and expression. The guidelines have been framed keeping in mind the difference between viewership in a theatre and television as compared to watching it on the internet.